Luqo AI is a brand new AI software that's taking the market by storm, and in this review, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know about it. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of whether Luqo AI is the best AI software for your needs. Stick around, because I'll also give you my top AI software recommendations after reviewing thousands of tools in this space. First things first, Luqo AI is designed to help businesses automate and streamline their workflows with smart AI-powered solutions. Whether you're a marketer, business owner, or entrepreneur, this tool has the potential to revolutionize how you work by saving you time and enhancing your decision-making. The software has just been released, so if you're looking for an edge over your competition, you're in the right place. And yes, you can try Luqo AI completely free using the link below. But don't just jump to it. Trust me, there's a lot to unpack here, and I want you to fully understand what this tool can offer. One of the first things you'll notice about Luqo AI is its user-friendly interface. It's designed so anyone, from beginners to advanced users, can get up to speed quickly. There's no steep learning curve here, which is a huge advantage in today's fast-paced digital world. If you've ever been frustrated by complicated AI tools, you're going to appreciate how simple Luqo makes it to get started. Now, let's talk about the core feature that sets Luqo AI apart from the competition: its powerful automation capabilities. Luqo isn't just a tool that helps with basic tasks. It automates entire processes, making it perfect for businesses looking to scale. From automating your content creation to streamlining your customer interactions, Luqo AI has the flexibility to help you focus on what matters most. But what really stands out is Luqo's AI-driven decision-making. The software analyzes data in real time to give you actionable insights so you can make smarter decisions faster. This feature is especially valuable for marketers, as it helps you optimize your campaigns and increase ROI. Another important aspect of Luqo AI is its seamless integration with other tools. Whether you use CRM software, email marketing platforms, or project management tools, Luqo connects effortlessly, so you don't have to worry about switching between multiple apps or wasting time on manual work. Let's not forget the affordability. Despite all the advanced features, Luqo AI is priced competitively. And again, you can test it for free, so there's no risk in giving it a shot. Now, you might be wondering, is Luqo AI suitable for your specific use case? Well, it's versatile. Whether you're looking to automate your social media, enhance your content strategy, or improve customer support, this tool adapts to your business needs. Plus, with constant updates and improvements, Luqo AI continues to get better with time. Before you go, I've got a little bonus for you. If you've tried other AI software and felt let down, you won't want to miss my top picks. After testing thousands of AI tools, I've compiled a list of the best alternatives that can help elevate your business, and you can try them for free. So, check the description below for my recommended AI software and give Luqo a try with the free trial link. It might just be the AI solution your business needs to get ahead.